What's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and I'm going to teach you to play YouTube videos in the background. So let's get started. One of the first methods I know is Google Chrome. We start by launching Google Chrome. As you see, make sure to have it in the desktop version, as you see right there. Make sure to do that if you haven't done it already. Then we open any video, music, whatever it is, motivational video, what suits you. Then we hit play. Yeah, just like that. Then just slide into the background. Then we hit play in the background in case the music stops. And that's it, going on right in the background. The second method I know is UC Turbo. I prefer UC Turbo over Google Chrome. I don't know, just like it. It's smarter, feels smarter to me. Then we just do the same thing, hit any video, and we hit play. We use this floating notification bar to either turn the background play on or off. Right now it's off. Then we hit it like this, it comes on, and you can slide into the background without any problems. I hope my video helped. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time.